Your jawline is a bone, but it is hidden. Let's carve it out with the Primal Protocol. The first law is fat loss. Lower your body fat. This reveals the structure underneath. There are no shortcuts. You cannot outtrain a bad diet. A lean body is the foundation of a defined jaw. Without this, nothing else matters. Introduce resistance to build the masseter muscle. This is the key to a wider and more powerful looking jaw. Use a jawline exerciser or chewed off gum for 10 to 15 minutes daily. This forces the muscle to grow. The Tao method builds neck strength and definition. It targets the muscles underneath your jaw. Roll a towel. Place it under your chin. Push down as you try to open your jaw. Hold for 5 seconds. Posture is everything. A forward head posture hides your jawline and weakens your neck. Keep your chin up and your shoulders back. This instantly adds definition and makes you look more confident. This is not just about aesthetics. This is about the posture of a predator, not prey. It is a biological signal of power. Your ancestors needed strong jaws to survive. They chewed tough meat and roots. You are awakening that primal blueprint. The sharp jawline is a side effect of a disciplined life. It is a badge of honor earned through daily practice. Consistency is your ultimate weapon. Do this daily. It is time to become primal. It is time to ascend.